Good morning, Emma.
Good morning, Mr. Smith.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking.
That's good to hear.
Are you ready for class today?
Yes, I am.
Wonderful. Let's start with a little review.
Okay.
Do you remember what we learned yesterday?
Was it about daily routines?
Yes, that's right.
Oh, good.
So, can you tell me, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30.
Wow, that's early.
Yes, my mom wakes me up.
Moms are the best alarm clocks.
Yes, they are.
What do you do after you wake up?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Good habits.
Then I eat breakfast.
What do you usually eat?
I eat bread and eggs.
Sounds healthy.
Yes, my mom says breakfast is important.
She's absolutely right.
What time do you wake up, Mr. Smith?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Even earlier than me.
Yes, teachers wake up early too.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat oatmeal and drink coffee.
Coffee? I don't like coffee.
You're too young for it.
Yes, my mom says the same.
Okay, let's move on to today's topic.
What are we learning today?
We're learning about classroom objects.
Oh, like table and chair?
Exactly.
Yay, that's easy.
Let's see. What is this?
That's a book.
Good job.
Thank you.
And what is this?
That's a pen.
Nice work.
Can I try one?
Of course.
What is this?
That's an eraser.
Okay.
What do you do with an eraser?
I use it to erase mistakes.
Very good.
This is fun.
Learning should always be fun.
I like English class.
I'm glad to hear that.
Sometimes I make mistakes, though.
That's okay. Mistakes help you learn.
Really?
Yes, even teachers make mistakes.
You too?
Yes, sometimes.
That makes me feel better.
Good.
Can we practice more words?
Sure. What is this?
That's a board.
Good. What color is the board?
It's white.
Perfect.
What is that?
That's a clock.
It tells time.
Exactly.
I like the red hands on it.
You're very observant.
Thank you.
What do you see on the teacher's desk?
I see books, papers, and a laptop.
Excellent.
Can I sit at the teacher's desk?
Maybe one day when you become a teacher.
I'd like that.
You'd be a great teacher.
Thank you, Mr. Smith.
Okay, let's play a small game.
Yay! What kind of game?
I'll say an object, and you point to it.
Okay, I'm ready.
Pen.
Here it is.
Great. Notebook.
Got it.
Chair.
This one.
Very fast.
I like games like this.
Learning through play is the best way.
Can I ask a question?
Of course.
What's the plural of book?
Books. Just add an S.
Easy.
How about pen?
Pens.
You got it.
What about box?
Box is. Add ES.
Oh, okay.
You're learning quickly.
I practice at home, too.
That's great. Practice makes perfect.
My brother helps me sometimes.
That's nice of him.
He's funny.
Funny brothers are the best.
Yes, he makes me laugh a lot.
That's good. Laughter keeps you happy.
Mr. Smith, what's your favorite subject?
English, of course.
I knew it.
What's yours?
I like English, too.
High five.
High five.
Let's read a short paragraph now.
Okay.
Repeat after me. This is my classroom.
This is my classroom?
We have many students.
We have many students.
We learn English every day.
We learn English every day.
Perfect pronunciation.
Thank you.
Do you like reading aloud?
Yes, it helps me speak better.
That's very true.
Can we do it again tomorrow?
Absolutely.
Yay!
You're doing great, Emma.
Thank you, Mr. Smith.
Before we end, let's review the words.
Okay.
Pen, book, eraser, board, clock, desk.
Pen, book, eraser, board, clock, desk.
Excellent memory.
I'll remember them all.
I'm sure you will.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, Emma. Have a nice day.
You too, Mr. Smith.
Don't forget to do your homework.
I won't.
Good girl.
Bye-bye.
Bye.